Hey guys, we have a special unboxing today. This is a gift for Hudson. And it even says it in the actual package. It says, Dear Hudson, we hope, he's looking at the Lego, we hope you enjoy these biscuits. Love from Trixie and Euphiazene. And these are from Coletti's Cookies. Yes. And I read about the company online when I saw the box, because I said, oh, what is Coletti's? I never heard about it. And it's a young woman started making her own cookies. She has Down syndrome, and she uses her own recipe, and she started her own business. So it's a real success story. So I'm looking forward to seeing how these cookies taste for Mr. Hudson. You ready? Okay, hold on. Let's get the unboxing.
I think he's ready. Oh, careful.
I am. Careful with the scissors. They package it real well.
Nice.
Oh, God. Oh, no. He's coming up. Okay, be careful of Lego. Be careful of Lego build. Oh, the tail knocked over a couple of things, but that's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'll fix it.
Yeah. Hutz, I'm going to give him a treat.
Okay, good.
Hutz is
Tail seems to be out of the way.
Hutz is having a treat.
Okay, here we go. Let me get dangerous scissors out of the way. Look at this.
Wow.
Coletti's. Dear Hudson, we hope you enjoy these biscuits. Love from Trixie and Euphiazene. They sent it in again. Oh, and look, here's a little handmade with love. Hello, I'm Colette DeVito, and I was born in 1990 with Down syndrome. After years of looking for a job and always being rejected, I decided to open my own company, so now I'm dedicated to creating jobs for other people faced with the same struggles I was, so please keep ordering. Oh my God, Euphiazene, that's so wonderful.
So sweet. Hudson's into it.
What? There's 2 bags.
Look at it.
Oh my God. Look at these. These are Lulu's Tasty Treats, all natural dog biscuits. And there's 2 bags of them. Oh my God. Which
we gotta try one.
Oh, you excited? I am. Oh, what? Oh, wow. They smell delicious. And what beautiful packaging.
Keep it away from Jim.
Do you see this? Wait, do you see on the bag that there's little doggies?
Yeah, little doggos. Oh, that's great.
And this says, little bowl says Fido. Look at this gray guy. Look, that looks like Hutz being silly. Yeah. And look at this guy.
He wants it.
Okay, he wants it. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God, they smell amazing. Like, I want one.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Keep it away from Jim.
Sit, give right paw, and catch. Oh. Are you loving these biscuits? From Coletti's? Now I want left paw. Good boy!
Good
catch.
Boy,
oops. Oh, he loves them.
Yeah,
Thank you, Trixie. Thank you, Euphiazene. Euphiazene is one of our platinum Patreon supporters.
Fantastic job.
Extra good. Oh, look at this one. These are gonna stick together. It's like a little
squirrel.
animal.
Yeah, it's like a squirrel.
Yeah. This is a big one.
All right, Hutch, you got it?
Oh my God, these are amazing. They certainly are tasty. Hudson approves.
Fantastic job.
So now, without further ado, Hudson had some treats. Would you like to also play? Would you like to go down the hall?
Coast is clear.
Coast is clear. Let's make sure.
Clear.
I'm going to give this so Hudson
grab
can
his
get down.
Grab his toy.
Coast is clear.
The Frisbee pizza.
Hudson Pizza King?
Yeah.
Hudson Pizza Toys.
Come on, Hutz.
Coast is clear. Treats. Coast is now clear. Oh my God. Oh my God. He loves his pizzas. Should we do the pizza frisbee first?
Pizza frisbee.
Oh, that was a good one. Complete with pepperoni. Oh, look at it roll.
Look at it roll. He's on a roll.
He's on a roll. Hutz, come on.
Oh, he loves it.
Oh, he loves it. See how he loves crinkling it? It has that crinkle quality to it.
Yeah. Hutz.
Hutz. pepperoni slice.
Nice.
This is from Jonathan.
All right, you throw. Oh, he loves it. Oh, those treats are fantastic.
Yes, thank you so much for those treats, Euphiazene and Trixie.
Yeah,
from
fantastic
Colette's.
job,
Extra
Euphiazene.
good.